Hey Sarge, what's going on here?
No organization. Donald's just sitting in there waiting for a freaking handshake or something. What are we doing in there?
You guys double Dutch ruddering yourselves up in there?
Been a while out for the weekend. We must have been out by 3 friends. Nigga feel like broken and leaked in. ASAP niggas finna sneak in. Bring it to the grid. Me and my niggas drilling. You know we finna kill it. Drilling.
Let's see. Make sure the starter. Pull that out.
What's going on?
I don't know if you can turn that.
Pull the column out?
What are you working on?
Well, I don't see.
Bunch of the wiring that we need to clean up, make it not a rat's nest. So
Makes sense.
That's what you put in, right? It's missing. Oh, you're gonna have to undo it because he missed the hole. Or can you get that on there?
I don't know.
Donald, this flange has to be bolted on there.
Oh yeah, and I put that one.
Updates.
what's cracking? Got everything all wired up good. Connections are all fine. I'm waiting on Loom to get here so I can finalize it and make it all clean and pretty. And then after soldering and heat shrinking, we're good. You should be coming along just fine. Connections are mint. That's all I'm getting at.
It's good.
All right, that fits. Oh, this way. I just pulled the bell housing up.
I was gonna say this one didn't have one on either.
Like it should have. You got one on there?
Yeah.
All right, let me get a wrench on it. Let me get
You're getting ripped
Eat
off.
this.
I was like 8 cents a
Try
skittle.
it. Give it a flick. Flick it a little bit. Flick it. Flick it. Just flick, 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 flick it.
Oh,
There you go.
now we're cooking with fire. All right, how many you get? You got 22?
Look at that. You got more than I did.
All right, I got 2.
Let's do the M&Ms.
You feel bad you're taking money away from a freaking 7-year-old?
I don't feel bad about it at
You
all.
feel, you don't even seem like you care.
Okay, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Carry the one. Well. To get to the bead, we got to go through this one. That's gonna hurt. And then I'll pull it like a fucking lawnmower. See if you start up. Is it working? All right, let me have it and then I'll get to the other ones.
Josh, don't you love wiring? You're learning wiring
Oh,
on
yeah,
the
dude.
fly.
Wiring
my
on the
car.
fly.
In my car. That's a problem.
All right, I need 3 of those. Okay, so let me have
This will be done right. Talk about it's hard with the brain. Yeah. Charge for when you stole.
Sit. Turby.
Oh, you freaking scared him.
Turby, sit. Come.
So if this was like this, right?
Derby.
Would that be like that?
Hey, come here, buddy.
That wouldn't.
Come here.
That wouldn't.
Come here,
match
hey,
up.
John.
I'm just trying to think. If that goes in like that.
Turby. Give me a shake. Give me a shake. Oh, you're.
A long day at the shop.
sleepy boy.
A long day at the shop today.
This is true. Yeah, it's a long day.
It's a very long day at the shop. We 14 hours in the race car.
14 hours? Is that what it was?
Total 14 hours.
Jeez.
Didn't start because of wiring specialties issues.
Yeah, that was kind
So
of
tomorrow we're gonna work on it.
frustrating.
We'll get another video on the wiring. We're gonna go from there.
Yeah, I'll get it going. We'll get it all cleaned up, all ready and square to rip. So it'll be fun. It'll be good, but it won't be real fun.
No.
Real good, or I don't know what the fudge.
All right, we're tired. We're exhausted. We're going to bed. Enjoy.